Before you is a Philips TUV 25 ultraviolet lamp designed for use in germicidal units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics. The lamp has two metal bases with two pins on either side. The power is 25.5 watts. Operating current is 0.6 A. The power of TUV radiation is 7.5 W. Dimensions. Lamp length 451.6 mm. Arc length 434 mm. The diameter of the tube is 26 mm. The diameter of the plinth is 25 mm. 9,000 hours of service life. You can see all technical parameters in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with a soft protection filler inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all kinds of bottle cider installations. Lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, seals, and connect. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.